When we think about the ocean and what it does for us, we think of food, transportation, tourism, materials, and energy. These provisions are the product of a finely tuned, dynamic Earth system with all its living and mineral resources. Coral ecosystems and fish stocks are just some examples of this fine balance. Let's look back in time to understand how the 4.5 billion years of Earth's evolution has resulted in the abundant wealth of the ocean today. Our planet started as an inanimate iron-rich rock with a hot, radioactive core that cooled over billions of years. Volcanic and hydrothermal energy pushed molten rock into the ocean and onto the continents. Scientists think life originated at hydrothermal vents billions of years ago. A major game changer was the evolution of photosynthesis by microorganisms, releasing oxygen and thus fundamentally changing the chemistry of the ocean and atmosphere. This resulted in a burst of mineral oxidation. Of over 5,000 minerals on Earth today, about 2/3 were created after the oxygenation event. Organisms using these minerals evolved to life forms that colonized all space on Earth. Massive deposits of dead plants 300 million years ago formed carbon-rich sediments at the sea floor and on continental shelves, generating fossil fuel reserves we use today. Life and the geosphere have been irreversibly interconnected ever since. Earth's evolution was full of change, and organisms, to deal with extreme conditions, evolved biochemical pathways which are written into their genetic code. When scientists mine this information to create medical products and new materials, they tap into this huge store of proteins and organic compounds developed through eons of evolution. As examples, bacteria living within sponges are found to produce substances that fight malaria, and deep-sea organisms yield anti-cancer compounds. Almost everywhere scientists explore, they find new natural compounds that can be of use for humankind. Yet, human-driven interference is impacting these ecosystems before they are fully explored. The rapid rate of extinctions in the Anthropocene, caused by climate change and habitat loss, suggests that the human species is causing the next mass extinction event on the planet. The ocean has seen massive changes over time, and ecosystems have always adapted. But the rate of change is unprecedented, and species once extinct cannot be recovered. Results of ecosystem adaptations may be undesirable to humans and diminish the benefits we derive. Let's ask what this means for our sustainable interactions with the ocean. As we extract minerals and natural capital for a resource-hungry humanity, we must be aware that these were millions of years in the making. Where will we turn when these are exhausted? Better governance can be a part of the solution. Mineral resources beyond continental shelves have been declared the common heritage of humankind, and efforts to do the same for genetic resources are ongoing. Humanity is influencing the Earth system with unknown outcomes, altering within centuries the result of millions of years of evolution. We need to be aware that we are eating away at the natural capital of our planet and shift to more sustainable behavior so that marine resources are available for future generations.